Has this ever happened to you where you've got all this burnt on, sticky, gross stuff from your food stuck to the bottom of your stainless steel pan? Well, if it has, I've got a solution for you. You've got two ways you can go about this. You could either chuck this pan and pretend it never happened, or you can try this. The simplest way to remove burnt on food from the bottom of your stainless steel cookware is very simply put your dry stainless steel cookware onto a really hot heat source. Set your burner to high. Make a water solution of about 2 cups of water to 1 tablespoon of Palmolive or some other dishwashing detergent. And what you're going to do simply, once this heats up to really hot, you're going to take this mixture, pour this in just like that, and take something and start scraping it off. And what you're going to be doing actually is deglazing all over again your pan. Now, after you've applied our water and soap solution, take it off your burner, give it a quick rinse, and I'll just do this right now just to show you, and check that out. It's pretty well ready to go. All you need to do right now is keep applying this method and your stainless steel cookware are going to be good as new. So this has been another episode of Ken's 1 Minute Quick Tips. For more tips like this, make sure to subscribe, like this, save yourself some money and your nerves and your cookware. Until next time, I'm Ken. Thanks for watching.